This building in Porirua has 3 sets of Xpress lifts. One set of lifts that have been modernised by Schindler, another set of lifts that were also modernised by Schindler and have since been modernised again by Amco, and a third set of lifts that are totally original. And first, let's ride the lifts that have been modernised by Schindler. So the first of 3 sets of lifts in this building. These are Xpress lifts. They were modernised by Schindler with D series and now again with Dewhurst. Original D series button there. Might not be Dewhurst actually, might be something else. It's an interesting mix of original D series. I don't know. Isn't there like a sort of version of another version of D series that's very similar to Dewhurst? I have heard that. So you can see where some of the buttons have been replaced again, and some of them are still D8. Here we are at ground. There are 3 entrances into this building and 3 different sets of lifts. This is set 1. That's it. And now let's ride the second set of lifts, which were modernised by Schindler and then modernised again by Amco. So this is lift set 2. These ones only go up to 3. So this set was again Xpress modernised with Schindler D series and has now been modernised again with Dewhurst. Here we are at level 3. I'm not sure if these lifts actually used to go higher, I'm not sure. Does it have a label under there? No, it doesn't. I don't actually know if Schindler has done this mod or if it's just a generic company. There's really no way of knowing. These lifts are maintained by Amco, so I'm guessing that they might have done it. Here we are back at ground. And now, saving the best till last, let's ride the totally original lifts. Here's the good bit. The remaining set of lifts are completely original. Excellent. I think 5's locked. Okay, so we can go to 3. So this is what the other 2 sets of lifts would have looked like before they were modernised. Maintained by Amco. Schindler label, but also maintained by Amco. Oh, great, we're stopping. Come in. The original set. Original buttons. And here we are. Go. Now we'll just try and get the bell again because I talked over it last time. Oh, the other car. There it goes. And my battery's getting low, so that's it.